I see the phrase 3 consecutive odd integers, and automatically I'm thinking of x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. And reading on, I see it's the sum of these, so it's x plus the x plus 2 plus the x plus 4 is, that becomes my equal sign, 89 less than. I'm subtracting 89 away from twice the largest integer, which is the x plus 4, so 2 times x plus 4. When we combine like terms on the left, we get 3x plus 6, and on the right, doing our distribution, we have 2x plus 8 minus 89. Okay, now we want to combine like terms on the right, so that gives us 2x minus 81 is equal to the 3x plus 6 on the left-hand side. At which point we want to get all the x's to one side. I'm going to begin by subtracting 2x on each side. That'll give us x on the left, and at the same time I'm going to subtract 6 off of each side so that we can be right to our answer here. We're going to have x is equal to negative 87. Now, along with that are two other odd integers. We're looking for x plus 2 and x plus 4, which will be negative 85 and negative 83. And note that these do check, they are odd, and if we'd come up with even numbers, we would have known that something is wrong. 5 times the sum of 3 consecutive even integers. That's x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is 140 more than 140 plus 10 times the smallest. That's 10x. Within my first parentheses here, I've got a couple sets of like terms to combine together. So we've got 5 times 3x plus 6 equals 140 plus 10x. Then we're going to do the distribution of the 5 out in front. That will give us 15x plus 30 equals, no change on the right, bring down the 140 plus 10x. I'm going to want to get all my variables to one side, so I'm going to choose now to subtract 10x on each side of the equation. That leaves me with 5x plus 30 equals 140. Subtracting 30 on each side now gives me 5x equals 110. And dividing by 5 on each side of the equation, I now have x equals 22. I'm looking for 3 consecutive even integers, and so those numbers will be 22, 24, and 26. And if you want to write x plus 2 equals and x plus 4 equals, go for it.